I hope that my music is good. Notice that I have ducking. I'm using my new computer, so I do not have anything set up. Which means I'm going to have to be installing Claude Code and all those things and my repos. And I have my work laptop open in front of me. So this is going to be fabulous. What I need to get, I'll show you this. This will be the next keyword I get. Work. Hey! Just because I am a little bit blocked. I'm just a little bit blocked on the fact that I don't have database access and my VPN doesn't work. And the people that can help me fix it are just debugging production issues. It's fine. It's fine. So I'm going to be doing other... You're going to email my manager right now and tell him? That'd be great. Okay, I was gonna do, so I need to download, I was gonna do this, and I swear that the Copilot CLI also writes code, right? I was not, you still can't convince me to install Cursor or Windsurf, so we're not there. And just work on some stuff while I do DBT. We're not any closer to getting Pedro to do this for us. Yeah, and so we'll get code set up. I have to have npm installed. I'm actually going to Soypat, he's a friend of mine. Did I follow Soypat yet? No. Okay, I did follow Soypat. I'm Soypete, that's Soypat. We're gonna start with I am Pedro. I'm gonna make... I have Ghosty open, right? We're gonna make a directory, Pedro. We're gonna cd Pedro. We're gonna git clone. I'm Pedro. And this is gonna be one of our things. Then we're gonna clone the other one. So I have two repos I wanted to be working on particularly today, and then a potential third. So the third thing I wanted to do, right? This is assuming that GitHub Copilot actually lets me execute code. And that is, if you've ever heard of Langfuse, we use it at work. It's an open source whatever. But it's written in TypeScript. It's slow as hell. Like, it 100% does something that nobody else in the AI space can do. But the thing is I think I can rewrite it in Go and make it 97,000% faster, and I think AI can do it. So that's my third project. Don't you love how it just has like a whole bunch of my work PRs right there? You know, if I were smart... Oh, and I have a meeting in 1 minute, so we're gonna be... I will be muting my mic for that. Wait. Show anything. Like this white pole. Why are we showing a white pole over there?
Time flies when you're not around. So many distractions, but I can still hear the sound. Feels like everything changes.
There you go. So I'll join my meeting and mute and...
World moves on and we can't pause the game. When you left, I felt like I died. Pulled me apart, made a mess inside. Your picture's still here, but something's not right. I know there's no going back tonight.
There's a slight chance I might cancel this. I don't think so. But a slight chance.
It's the same but different now that you're not here with me, here with me, here with me, here with me, here with me. It's the same but different here with me. Life of the party now, you're just a memory. It's the same but different now that you're not here with me, here with me. Same old apartment, these walls are holding me down. Friends still asking about us like I'll bring it back around. Everything changes, but it's still the same. Without you here, it's an empty space. It changes, but it's all the same. Still at the places we used to stay. Life of the party now, you're just a memory. It's the same but different now that you're not here with me, here with me, here with me. Ooh, here with me, here with me. Oh, you ran away, things got hard, but you'll come back to mend this heart. You ran away, things got hard, but you'll come back to mend this heart. You ran away, things got hard, you'll come back to mend this heart. You ran away when things got hard. Everything changes, but it's still the same. Without you here, it's an empty space. It changes, but it's all the same. Still at the places we used to stay. Life of the party now, you're just a memory. It's the same but different now that you're not here with me, here with me, here with me, here with me. Oh, here with me. Here with me. It changes, but it's all the same. At the places we used to stay. Life of the party now, you're just a memory. It's the same but different now that you're not here with me, here with me. Oh. Pedro, 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 praticamente il meglio di Santa Fe.
I had a dream, we were stranded out in the sea. Nothing but ocean and waves as far as we could see. There was just nothing there besides you and me. And you said you'd rather be here with me than go back to the life we had before. To the life we had before. To the life we had before. You took my hand and you said, I don't wanna go back to the life we had before. You took my hand and you said, I don't wanna go back to the life we had before. All we can be is together now that we're free. Now that we're free from everything, we can breathe. Every breath that takes
Well, that was my meeting.
you and me.
A generic shuck. This should be a GitHub command. Oh, you can't see. This is the Copilot show. Thank you, Sweet Jeff, for the follow. This is Claude. This is, we have Professor Pedro's thing happening here in Codex. No. You don't get access to anything related to that. Cool. So we'll have some AI do stuff. Thanks again, Sweet Jeff, for that follow. Can I make a new branch? CI front end. UV. Oh yeah, so I made a new branch for Professor Pedro. It's right here. Oh, is it because I wasn't on this branch why I didn't know what was going on? I bet so. Well, I don't know what that branch is doing. This is the branch we're on. Look at all these beautiful tests I made. And we're just gonna have... we've only made only 2,900 files. I mean, you know, whatever. Whatever. I wonder... It's... Oh. For the node modules, shouldn't it add stuff to git ignore or something? Anyway, this branch is front end. So I'm gonna go here and be like, oops. Okay. I have a PR where I have a bunch of CI failing, right? The task. I have a PR with a bunch of CI tests failing. We need those test to run and pass. Analyze why the tests are failing in CI and make sure that the tests are configured correctly. I haven't even tested this like once. Okay, we're just gonna let that run. So here, not in Professor Pedro. We're on the main branch here. I introduced my brother-in-law to Love Island, and that's potentially dangerous. And I am Pedro. I have a couple of open branches. This is Helm Charts, and this is the module for web search. So the module for web search has a linting failure. So I think we're gonna check this one out and figure out why we have some errors not checked. These errors typically don't need to be checked, so maybe we just add a tag to say we don't need to check those errors, or we can check them. So I need to check out this branch. The goal with this I use Golang CI lint for linting. It is not installed locally yet. The errors are and you can either add a flag to skip these. Add a flag. It's not a flag. It's a build tag. Okay. Anyway, what I was saying is they make this really nice keyboard that's meant to go on top of Apple computers. And I need one for when I do co-working streams. Numphy keyboards. So like these keyboards, like they literally say, hey, put them on top of your Mac. And they're super low. And do I have a 10 key? I have a 10 key. I don't even have a 10 key. And look how cheap, like. Right? So we could just. You don't need desk mat. You do the low profile. Well, do they have a picture? I want a picture of Newfie on top of Mac. Yeah, like this. See how they just like put them on top of their Macs? Isn't that fabulous? With the air, whatever. Look at how, and that just like goes on top of your Mac, and it's just like beautiful. I'm just saying, it would make like the co-working super easy because I could just like put like my regular laptop and then see, look, you just gotta handle the air, so that's not that big of a deal. Are they really on test files? That's great. That's even like less of a big deal. No, because I don't have it installed. No, I don't need. I just want the regular install. Oh. No, just install on Mac OS. No, I don't need it. Yeah, this is just what I wanted. Cloud Code's cool. Now we should be able to run it. Now it knows to check the linter. Oh, so this is a good call. It's like use Go tool usage recommendations. This would be a great one to add a Go tool for this use case, specifically with Claude Code. So what Go tool is, is new. When did it come out? I think it came out with 123. So essentially what it says is like when you run, it's like left hook or get hooks or whatever, but essentially it says when you run like your build or whatever, or you run your test or whatever, execute these additional tools that you will use across your repo or whatever. Which I think is a little bit redundant because it's like they're just bash scripts. Like, why do you need it? But I do see the point, 100%. I do see the point of something like a Go tool or like a UV has the same thing, like with Rough or whatever, where it's like a tool interaction. I totally see the value of that with AI because they don't necessarily know the tools on your machine, but they do know the context of the repo. So if you have a list of tools associated with the repo, it knows to run them. So I am now pro Go tool. I was anti Go tool. I am pro Go tool for Claude Code because it'll let AI know to run that for me. So go mod init. We need to create a dedicated module file. Okay. That's interesting. I don't like this part though, where it's like make a repo. Let's see if Claude Code can set that up for me. Cool. Don't ask. How come? Oh. Did I just accidentally open one password? I think I may have done. Oh, good. It just pulled up my name and birthday. Whew! We could have had some private information leakage there. We didn't. This is the first step. The module path is in the go.mod file. Isn't AI just supposed to like do stuff for me? Hey Crick, how you doing? Oh, is that really the go mod file? I mean, yeah, probably. Okay, now step 2. Oh, Sugar Doobie. Why'd you get a suggestion of my stream? All I'm doing is having AI write code for me. Step 2 is complete. Step 3. Until I run out of credits. I think I get like 50 calls an hour. Like, I don't think I'm gonna run out of Cloud Code credits. Sweet. And then test. This is the last step. Sweet. So let's commit this. So this would do check status. Okay. What? What do you mean nothing to add? So much for doing work. Fix linting error. Oh, well, I am coding with AI today. That's all I'm doing. I'm supposed to be doing work code. Like, and like AI's in the background, but you know. And I'm experimenting with a couple of different tools. I have this one, and then I have Codex, right? See? So what the heck is Mize?
It's been a lot of time, and I don't know why I'm sitting on the sideline, and I can't be feeling all the time. I try to find the peace with
Should only be using UV and PyTest.
don't know what I am doing, nothing to show, and I know that it's not all my fault.
I also have
These dark days I've overcome. Gotta be there for my mother and be there for my sisters. They need me more than ever. I am their
okay.
only son, my mother. And I know you need patience to do
Oh, it just wants me to update things to 3.11 and 12? Okay.
that's the end of me.
Copy, get applied, copy patch. I don't need a PR. I mean, that's kind of cool that it does it this way. I really like that. Like, this isn't a bad experience. It's better than Copilot chat, I'll tell you that.
Been getting too high, but I'm low on myself. Dealing with other cards that I've been dealt. Stretching my arms, I'm reaching for help. Everyone's hurting, everyone's learning. Figuring this world out all by yourself. Isn't that hard? Spread
Is it still...
questions, got out the track.
Oh, the linter still broke?
Message, yeah. Gotta be there for my
Why? It says I have an empty branch.
they need me more than ever. I am their only brother, only son, my mother. And I know you need patience to deal with me. But the weight upon my shoulders has made me say it's been so hard to show up from my family. But if I go, that's the end of me.
Oh, yeah, you can merge it into the front end. I didn't know that. I don't write Python regularly. Actually, I don't write tests in Python regularly. That is the answer. Cool. That's merged. So now...
I know if I get too close to you, I'll do something I said I wouldn't do. And how I can feel you feel it too.
Yeah, it doesn't like... Notice how this is...
Everybody thinks we're only friends. They don't know about how we both met. They
There we go.
don't know secrets that we kept. And I don't wanna stay too long, 'cause we'll be
Can you run Golang? Oh, it did.
it's wrong, but I'm glued. Am I out my head? I can shake the habit we stepped on.
This is literally reverting linting changes.
'Cause I know we said we wouldn't fall again. We made a promise that we would be friends, but I don't know how I can forget everything we've been through.
There are so many files. Oh, did... Yeah, that's fine.
It's getting pretty late, I
So now they have CI tests. Why do we have a test? Well, I guess this is normal, right? To have versions for your tests in Python. Ooh, the rough linter. It doesn't have rough setup. Yeah, I know there were too many changes in one PR. I never said it was a good PR. I literally had Claude Code build this yesterday, and I told it to just make a front end. And so yeah, there are way too many changes for one PR because it's all made by AI. I don't care. This is the one. Pedro's the one where I care. Oh, the linter fixed, yes. This one, I'm just trying to get a working UI, and I'm good with it being disgusting for a minute. Okay, so I need to go back to the thing where it's why does it say they're failing? Oh, because there's no tool ref in the tool field. That means we didn't set up the GitHub action properly. You need to analyze the GitHub action workflow script, set up UV and rough in that environment, run async, and make sure the rough linter works. Now, if it can't... Sweet. So now, this is the fun part. So DuckDuckGo is supposed to search... to Pedro's prompting. In the system prompt to should take that response. It's like web search rag. And craft. It's actually, I'm building an agent. Don't tell anybody I'm building an agent. Twitch chat saying 1 second. And that chat history. Make sure to add today's date to system prompt. Okay, that's a big message. That should give it a minute. That should give it a minute for me to run some DBT stuff. The thing that I like about Claude Code, and it's doing it right now, is it like literally makes steps for an agent and then it asks you to like interject. Codex wasn't doing that so far. Right, so we've been using Codex. So Codex, I gave it a task, right? And it's running a command. It's loading a command. I mean, we know that OpenAI is not the speediest. But basically, it just makes PRs for me. Which is why I really like Claude Code. I think, from what I hear, Cursor does something similar. But like I said, I'm not necessarily convinced to install Cursor. And I'm not going to use this, now that I think about it. This isn't, I'm not necessarily paying for this. My work is paying for this, so I probably shouldn't use Codex too much. I thought I was paying for... oh, no, Oh, it depends on if this is using Copilot or not. If this is using Copilot, my work pays for it because of weird permissions. And if this is using OpenAI, I pay for it, which is why I didn't give it work permissions. So we need a rough TOML file. What the heck is a rough TOML file? Yeah, well, does it cost more money to do that? Like, I only want to do things that are within my $20 a month, whatever budget. I don't want to do anything that costs more. Why on earth is my family so excited to look at houses? They keep sending me houses. Oh, they're asking me what I'm looking... Because I said I have a 10-year plan to buy a house. Yeah, that's about the right size house. Oh, and it has a basement. Oh, it's by the... This is a huge house. I'm not buying a house. I'm good. My family likes to look at houses. So I think, yeah, we want this PR. And now we'll check. This is great. Like, it could be worse. So they're running again. So much work done on DBT right now. Ugh. My Wi-Fi is definitely having issues. It's... Oh, I just breathed into the microphone, which affects ducking. So. Okay, they're still failing. Sweet. Lint with rough. Oh no, we've got rough lint error. Look at that. It did fix it. Good job, AI. You didn't know when you built it that you had you had to do that. I'm gonna tell it to just fix all these errors and see what it does. Fixable with the fix option. Here are the linting errors from please fix them, and if possible, add the flag fix to the CI/CD call. This flow is very interesting to me. Whoa. AI chatter. Okay, so it updated the prompt. Why did you kill that part? Your name is Pedro. Today's date. Yep. Yeah. Okay. Did I remove? Okay. The other thing we gotta... Okay, yeah, that's actually good. I also like how they have me approve imports. It's fabulous. I think it's called an AUD, where you have like a authorized dwelling in your house. Okay, it's only so the AI Twitch chat I know is the path for Twitch chat, so that's good. We're not gonna do this in the Discord one yet, only Twitch chat. Because Twitch chat's the easiest one to test right now.
Pedro, 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 praticamente il meglio mi salta.
Hey Cozy, thanks for that follow. Glad to have you here. We're just coding with AI. I am coworking. Okay, so what are we adding here? If it has execute web search, it will never do this. So, things you should know about LLMs. I told it to do exactly this. The fact that I did it in the system prompt means that it's more likely to do it. But the chances of us getting an exact match, I would estimate it's probably about 30%. I do not think it will ever say execute web search with that. I also doubt that it will always be the first thing it says. So where it says has prefix, I don't think it should say has prefix. I think what it should do, no, I want to clarify this. Instead of has prefix, I want you to use strings dot contains. This, well, and the reason for you is I do not think that we have any chance that it will start with that. Like, LLMs are weird. And so if I was using Claude, maybe, because their agents are really nice, or even OpenAI, but I'm not, right? Like, I'm self-hosting, so I doubt it'll say that. It should be a contains, and I want to do a strings it after the word web, word, ooh, like, it doesn't need to be trim prefix. Guaranteed.
Can you show me love? 'Cause I don't think you can.
Since it's not guaranteed to a prefix, we should just split the string after the phrase execute web search. And use the last part of the resulting slice. Cross your fingers, that works. Okay, so I have this DBT thing. Oh, that's what I needed to do. So where I am at with my DBT project, which you guys don't know, let me just make a to-do here real quick so I don't lose track now that I have in my head what I need to do. I need to do first add key. Oh, Copilot's working. Copilot doesn't usually work. Okay, if strings, then it does split after that. It uses, if the length of parts is greater than 1, it uses the last part. Failed to get original message. A fallback to original message, that's nice. Oh. I don't like this. I don't like this part, but I think we'll test that. I think we'll go with it. And then we need to set up to deploy Docker build to okay, it's cron. There's the cron job. Then we need to run oh, why is it adding LLMs to the types? Why is it changing the type method? Oh, I see. Web search is not stored in the database. Okay, so I do have those good. No. I forgot that I don't have dbt set up locally. But being it's in unrelated to okay, let's look at this file. Basically, I think we're probably only gonna continue with Cloud Code today because oh. Yeah, this idiomatic version stuff's being dumb. What are you doing? You have a PR message? I don't think you have a PR message. Right? Okay. Now we're back to here with idiomatic version. See, I just want to... Cloud Code wrote it, so I'm just going to wait for Cloud Code. We can just have it run in... Actually... See? I guess we just proved that nothing beats a Claude. Whatever Claude I'm running for code. Okay, so this is what runs. So it does a search result if error does not equal nil. Look at that. Yep. What file was this in? Okay, that's fine. Clean response. There's a response channel? There's not a response channel. Maybe there will be a response channel. Sometimes it does stuff like that where it's like there's not this thing right now, but there will be. Oh, okay, so this did. Everything is connected. Oh, see, look, they put an async response channel. So they did make a new one. I want you to know that I use channels and async stuff all over the place with this repo, and I just wrote a blog post about how we shouldn't do that, because I'm gonna deploy it to Kubernetes, and I think it's fabulous. I wouldn't have done it that way. I would have just, yes, see how it has this execute go routine? That's probably what I would have done. Whoa! This is, okay, this is interesting. That they chose to put it here. This is not where I would have put it. I would have just used a go routine and put it in the same spot. Just with the way that the stuff's compartmentalized, I don't like the fact that it's calling the search in a different path. And it's running Golang CI lint. I don't like that it's calling the web search from the Twitch path. I want it to call it from the AI path. Yeah. So I need to somehow communicate that. Run go build from the home. Run go build from the root directory. See? It's fibberty gibbeting. What is fibberty gibbeting? Yeah. Well, I'm gonna add you back in a minute. Wait, why didn't... Why did we just remove that? Why is it adding it back? Why did we just remove that and it added it back? This is great. This AI is going in circles. It's removing things and then adding them. It's adding an unused call just to fix the build command. This is great. It's still imported and not used. Just remove it. remove this line and remove the import for the duck go package. Like, it's going in. I'm wasting calls. I'm wasting credits on this circular thing. Like, I wonder if that was. Yes, remove it and be done. And don't add it back again. Yes, and remove that, like I just said. Okay, build it. No content. It's done. Move on. Oh, thank goodness. Okay. So here's where we're at with this. I think I have it connected to my GitHub. Yeah. And here's the problem. Create a new, I don't need a new collection. This is where we have the Pedro stuff. We just can create a scene. So here's the problem. I used to have an AI. Okay. So here's the problem. Ooh. I was doing this the other day, where I was like just having my thing make images for me. And I never know where it goes. Like, I have so many things in here that I just lose everything. 90% of I'm like, oh, I want to go like resume this chat that I don't remember it all the time. Like, oh, search chats. It was like Excalibur. Oh, there we go. There we go. Insert a photo from my Google Drive, Cloud Drive. iCloud Drive, documents. Don't judge me for the fact that it's called Garrett Gophers. It has no meaning anymore. I just kept putting things in there. No, it should be in Twitch. Make an Excalibur style Pedro. This is so fun. I really I will use all of my credits just making images for my life. I love ChatGPT images. They're the best. And like Excalibur Pedro will just be Excalibur Pedro, you know? Like, because it needs to understand that I want it to have a particular flow, right? Because we're building, I'm making Claude code. I'm making an AI agent build an AI agent. Because Go does not have good agent frameworks. No, stop! Undo the logo. Undo that. Undo that. I'm so glad that you did this. I used this in my blog post, by the way. Just to show you. I'll just show you. Oh. Why on earth? I could care less about any of your stuff. I think it hasn't been posted yet. Is it scheduled? Yeah, it's this one. Gen AI feels backwards. It's scheduled, so it'll come out in a few weeks. I made this diagram, and so like this picture and the iceberg thing and the Notion thing, I just had them generated to feel a little bit more like they were for Excalibur. Oh, like that's good. No, okay. So I do not need a full illustration. I just need the Pedro logo itself in design ready for look at that, it has a floating hand. I'm doing this and this. It's like I'm doing this and this, but with the same hand. And then I have an arm holding Pedro. I've got 3 hands in this generated image. This is why you have to be very specific when you generate AI images. AI is stupid. For Excalibur that I can use in a new diagram. Again, it is just the Happy Pedro image, but in Excalibur style, like it was drawn with pencils. Somebody told me, well, you should support designer friends. I'm like, I do. I do support designers. This image from Pedro was drawn by an illustrator, and I paid him for the work. And then I use it how I want. So when I want professional things, I 100% will pay them. I pay people for conferences. I pay people for all my Twitch emotes. Those things are all done professionally. YouTube thumbnails? No. Like, yes! That's what I want! Yes! Just like this. Perfect. Perfect. Copy image. Perfect. Oh, no. We need to have a... Nope. It's not done yet. I think there is a way to copy to clipboard as PNG. Are any of these worth my screening? Oh. Sorry. I need to respond to this thing. Oh! Oh, they're asking it that. Where did you get these resumes from? Sorry. Back to work stuff. I need to do this real quick. So you're just gonna enjoy the music. This is good. This is good. Wait, how come this says there was... Can I just copy as PNG? There's a... And then paste again? Can you remove the background? Oh, I need to close Codex. It's gonna give me problems if I keep going. Okay. No background. That should download. No, you don't need that. So then we can go import image. Haha. There we go. So I need a llama C++ logo. Now that logo is really hard to find, by the way. Like, really hard to find. Oh, and I need a DuckDuckGo logo. Do they have DuckDuckGo? Okay. I need a DuckDuckGo logo, but without a background and in Excalibur style. It's great. Oh, look at that! Copy image. Now I should be able to just come over here and paste it. Like, this isn't quite Excalibur style, but I'll take it. And then I need some kind of image. Oh, Pedro is the AI. Okay. And then we have gophers somewhere. Yeah, we'll use Pedro for the AI, and then we'll have our gopher for the Go app. Right? Or should we use a Twitch logo? And we'll probably also want a Twitch logo. Same thing. Twitch. Like, this is exactly why AI exists. There we go. And then one more. Oh, this is a good one. Sorry, I need to finish this. I'm just writing some interview questions for, whatever. So just enjoy the music, and I'll get back to designing my agent in a minute. Because this is totally a... If I have the agent, then Pedro should be able to... I'm trying to conceptualize how I want the agent flow to work so that I can explain it to Claude Code so that Claude Code can build it. And this is like the jankiest AI agent you'll ever see, but...
I've been searching for so long to finally feel it again, the feeling I can't forget. And when I look to the crowd, maybe that's what we need, so we can feel that free. It feels better with you, where I'm finally free. Can you give me some more? Where did all the love go lately? Come on, show me what you need. Where did all the love go lately? Is it out there? It's what I need. What I need. Where did all the love go lately? Come on, show me what I need. We are sad nights, watching all the stars go by, and I'm holding on to you, 'cause you're holding me real tight. If I had a choice, I would choose you every time. Yeah, I don't know how to breathe without you by my side. You know me well, you know that I can never leave your side, like a wave crashing till you're tired, like a moth in flame. That's how it is with you and I.
Okay, I am undistracted now. Okay. No, this needs to be purple. There's no purple, huh? Okay, so... we have a DuckDuckGo API. And this should be orange. DuckDuckGo API. We're gonna... was there a group? There's not a group. Oh, there was a group. Did you see that group selection that I totally missed? Okay. And this is the, we will actually color you green. Pedro LLM. And then we have the Go app. Okay. This is Twitch chat. That's funny. Okay. Group together. Okay, so this is the current flow, right? So we get a message from Twitch chat. It goes to the Go app, right? The Go app says, if message contains Pedro, right? Currently, this is the flow. This is flow 1, right? If message contains word Pedro, we're sending it there. Right? And now we're saying flow, right? And now we're saying, okay, Pedro, you have a new agent flow. So now we're giving it an agent step, right? Agent, we'll call it an agent decision, right? Because it's not actually building a workflow. Right? And if it says, and in this step it says, if LLM doesn't know, then, oh, we should actually do it this way. Right. So Pedro's doing an agent decision. And we're going to use a text box over here. If Pedro doesn't know, add lookup step. Now, how is this different than most other agents? Right now, the main flow of agents, don't change the text size, just make it larger. Right now, the way agents normally work is that if you need an agentic call, it makes the third-party LLM take a decision, right? So Claude takes the decision, or OpenAI takes the decision, or Gemini takes the decision, right? Like, that's the current agent flow, is that the LLM acts and does something. That's the whole point of MCP, is that when you build agent, an LLM does something, right? But I'm using Llama C++. It doesn't have MCP. So if I want to build an agent, I have to add some other kind of action step. So we're going to add this kind of action step, right? Which is basically saying, respond with execute web search. Now, this is like the jankiest agent ever, right? Because we're not having the AI do it, right? Pedro's not doing it. The Go app is doing it. And if this happens, we're going to make this flow yellow, actually. Let's make this flow, or pink, green. Oh, no, it's an agent. So agents are all green, right? So now if we have an agent, then the Go app says, okay, respond with web search. Now we're going to here, and we're saying, okay, search web. Okay, right? We've searched the web. We get a new response. Right? Response to search goes here. And then let's make this one blue and that blue. Blue. And now Pedro gets a new thing coming up here. Well, actually, let's do that. Let's have it. No, you stay where you were at. We got a new thing. I'm just going to do this. Right? And this is RAG for, this is retrieval augmented generation. We just retrieved it from a website instead of a database, right? RAG for web search response, right? And now Pedro takes that RAG and sends it to Twitch chat. Right? And so now we got the third one. Go back to Twitch chat. So this is, okay, so we have 3 flows. Let's zoom out a little bit. We're gonna drag you over here, and now we gotta make a key. Right? No background. This also shouldn't have a background. I'm liking the no background thing. So we're making a key, right? So we have white. Right? Nope, undo that. I just need a line. Maybe we'll just do like this, line. Right, like white is Twitch message flow, right? Which is the first flow. Don't do that. No, I just want you white. And then we have green, which is agent. Oh, yeah, I don't want you. I want this. Agent. Okay. Agent flow. And then we have the blue flow. Sorry, you're still green. Which is the rag flow. And so this is how I want the code base to essentially line up. Right? So essentially everything in the code that's part of the agent decision. So all of the code for this currently, all of the code for this part of it, okay, we need to zoom out again. Right? Undo that. So you, right here. Group together. Okay, you come over here because you're that. And then I think I can just do this. Okay. So right now, okay, I see. Oh, I just wanna. This is the. Ooh, this is white. Incoming Twitch message. And this is. No, I know. Outgoing Twitch message. So like this is homemade rag essentially. Okay, so this right here, all this stuff right here, this lives in the AI package in the Go project. And this stuff right here lives in the Twitch package. And this lives in the DuckDuckGo package. Okay. That makes sense? We're gonna call this janky agents. I'm gonna actually right now, let's export this. It's a PNG. I'm gonna put this on Discord. Where's janky agents? There it is. Alright, so this is our janky agent. According to this, I'm actually okay with the Twitch stuff living here and not there. I guess what I'm wondering is this. So in our Twitch stuff, we have this handle message, and what this handle message does is it calls this. And we add the response. Oh, never mind. If it does handle the response here, then it should go the other way. With the... Dang it. I was wrong. I can't believe that Claude Code was smarter than me. And just so you know that Claude Code was smarter than me for the shorts. Oh, I didn't push it. Claude Code. Build, add the web search call to. So I'm probably gonna have to give up streaming in like an hour-ish for food, and also so I can actually say that I did something today, because I am not doing the work that I thought I was gonna be doing. To Twitch chat. Okay, so again, let's just, for the shorts, how was I wrong? So here when it says this, say whatever, here is the spot where it says execute web search. I thought that this was going to get called a layer up here, and I thought, and because it added this, it added a channel for Twitch messages, and I'm like, that's inappropriate. Why are you adding a channel there? You should just call it directly. Well, this Go routine's exactly what I wanted. And it's doing exactly what I asked, which was update the prompt, use the DuckDuckGo client, make a call here, like it's doing the call here. And it's adding, like, it's doing everything I asked, and the channel doesn't need to go a layer up, right? Like, we don't have any Twitch-specific logic in the AI layer, and I thought we did, and that's my bad. So I'm pretty okay with this. They have a client test and a handle message, whatever. So the thing I haven't tested is like actually what the DuckDuckGo responses will look like. So I think the next step is definitely testing this. So I'm gonna take this. It's doing everything it should be. Look at that again. Pulling up stuff I shouldn't do. Let's put this into PR review. Here. I put that in Discord. And I think we're good with Pedro for now. What should we do first? Should we do Pedro Ops or should we do Professor Pedro? Does anybody in chat have an opinion? You probably don't, because you're like, you're talking too much for a co-working stream. And you're like, you're hella right I am.
They know my sound by heart. From broken pieces I made my art. I'm dust, yeah, but I'm alive. Building dreams that'll never die. Can't break me, can't hold me down. From the ashes, yeah, I wear my crown. I'm dust, yeah, but I'm alive.
It's really cool
Dreams that'll never die.
that Codex pulls it up on my phone. That's actually really cool. I can't do Claude. I can do a lot for my phone, but with the way I use SSH, I use it with GitHub Actions, not GitHub Actions. The other thing, 1Password. So with the way I use SSH with 1Password, I can't do my Mac from my phone, which is why as soon as I get the Kubernetes stuff set up, which I am this close to, by the way. I just have some cube context stuff I need to fix, which I'm not going to do on the stream because of secrets. Even though you already saw it once when I set it up.
Just right. Colors blend, they blur and sway. I'm here now, I'll float away. Hold on but let go, lost in the undertow. Feel the wave fall, light will be alright. Hold on but let go, move where the current flows. In the quiet night will be alright.
I shouldn't add that. That's okay. Yes. So nobody in chat. So chat. Now's your time to prove that you're not bots. Should we work on Pedro Ops, or should we work on Professor Pedro? Honestly, if I were to make a business, I think Pedro Ops is a better business. Let's do Cloud Code over here. So essentially, okay, we have a git in it, so we'll do Claude. So what Claude? Yes. So it's usually, so we're gonna run init. Actually, is init already here? I didn't think I had a Claude file, that's why. Yeah, well, I don't have anything, so. But it updates the Claude file after we do all of these tasks so that Claude has a way to carry context with it. It's pretty intelligent. Nope, it doesn't. Yeah. Cool. See, it's great. So let's start with a README. Okay, we want to make a README for the repo. The purpose of this repo is to provide AI observability. What we mean is that we pull metrics off of open AI API spec requests and we send them to Prometheus or other OTel compliant, another OTel compliant time series metric aggregation service. We will it will be written in Go because Go is fast. And lightweight. Like, that's the thing is, like, I don't need this to have a UI. I need this to send metrics to an established UI. Like, this should be a Grafana plugin at the end of the day. Or not a Grafana plugin, but, like, should enable a Grafana plugin. It should calculate things like time to first token, average token processing time, average token processing time, average prompt processing time, and average token generation time. We should also allow, so like essentially I want to make a better link fuse, but don't say that. But don't write that. Just we need API latency, right? As well. Make a list of to-do steps in the README and add a license file. We will connect this to Pedro GPT first. Like, so I'm giving a talk, and we have to have this up for the this has to be built before the talk, 100%. So where's Go West? Where's Go West? Go West over here? No, Go West is not over there. Where's Go West? Go West Conf. So I'm giving a talk. I'm giving this talk right here. We have to have this built before the talk. Like 1,000,000%. This needs to be ready for people to consume by October. So we have a deadline, and a good chunk of it's probably going to be built by Cloud Code. But like OTel and Prometheus are so standard, that's fine. And like the end of the day, I don't have time to, but I do have like I have money. And obviously there are things we will do by hand, but like the whole argument for this is speed. And so we're going to have Cloud Code do that. Where's Pedro? So I'm going to basically pause 90% of the work on Professor Pedro, which is fine, in order to get everything ready for that talk. We're not product launching. Okay, so this is starting with the README. See, look, I like the fact that it updates the Claude Code stuff. So, okay, hopefully this will take a minute. Yep, I'm good with that. Did I see you redeem? What did you redeem? It didn't. It has to hit my ears. What did you redeem? Did you redeem a hydrate or a stand? Sorry, I'm doing 3 things at once already. Just tell me and I will act. Ooh, that's a good question. What is my favorite hat? I need a Docker file for this. Popping Popper. Let me just say, I heard a rumor that makes me a little bit excited. How much do you like TypeScript? I'm gonna poke you on Discord here in a little bit. I don't know, but if you like TypeScript, you should poke me. Anyway, what am I building? I am building a tool for my talk that will do AI ops for me. So ideally, it'll be an SDK that plugs into an existing repo and connects things to like Prometheus or an OTel server, or like so that they can see the metrics and get a funnel. Like, my biggest problem with Langfuse right now, besides the fact that it's stupid at scaling, is that it's really hard to get the data into the same place where we have metrics everywhere else. But if I could take this, right, and do AI specific metrics in Prometheus, that's what I want. That's essentially where I'm at. So I'm building, it's called Pedro Ops. I'm building AI observability for Pedro. Okay, we need to set up the Go repo with Go mod init. The module path. Pedro. 2 months! Dude, thanks, Rug. Thanks, Rug. That's amazing. The module path should be github.com/soypete/pedroops. Work and title name. Yeah. set up the tool for lint in the module. Also create a GitHub action. A GitHub action that runs go lang CI lint, go test, and go build for the repo. So I'm co-working. Go Modanet, Soy P, Pedro Ops, yes. What did Pedro say? Sorry. Pedro said, I'm not sure. Mention her favorite hat in the stream. Those are some random. Oh, it's making the YAML for me. Good, I'll take that YAML. Make the workflows directory. Upload artifact. I have never seen this upload artifact, but I don't want that one. I'm fine with the caching for speed and all that stuff. Can you do everything but the upload binary as artifact step? Oh, we're gonna use Go Releaser actually. Yeah. So when we do it, we'll use Go Releaser. That's what I've done in the past. It likes to do develop branch. There's no files. Cool. Okay, so what do we need to set up? That file will orchestrate the setup of everything. We need to have a module that calculates metrics. So we need a metrics client in setup in main. We need a server that publishes to Prometheus. And we will need to set up Prometheus metrics for the desired measurements. I like to use the XPVAR package as well as Prometheus. So they should be set up in both. We will want a server on port 6060 to publish these metrics to. And we will want to have some kind of connector. See, so what laying fuse does is it says, okay, route all of our traffic through us, and that's how we'll like scrape it. So like they have their system prompts and stuff stored in it. And what I want to do is I want to build some kind of like SDK that acts as a middleware. Or middleware that scrapes open AI API responses and processes the metrics. So we will want the types for those responses. Don't handle the prompts, just the analytics. And make sure you get it from the types, return the JSON payloads from the completions endpoint and the embeddings endpoint. That's a long prompt. But now we're spelunking. Why are we... No, we'll use... Okay. Oh, I love Signal Chan. It's a health endpoints. Yep. And we'll add... Oh, why is my internet so stupid today? Now it's driving. It's clearly seen my Professor Pedro code because it. Oh, I was just working on it. Because it added some stuff that I like the system close and whatever. And then we can publish this Cloud file. The first time I had Cloud Code work on Pedro was still in, Cloud Code was still in beta. Prompt tokens, completion tokens, byte size requests. Oh, that's nice. API latency in milliseconds. Ooh. When we do API latency in milliseconds, should we be able to say what endpoint as a metadata? Theoretically, right? Internal metrics. Should it be an internal? I don't like to use internal. I like a flat structure, but if metrics is where we're calculating things, it should 100% be an internal. Hi, baby. Want the Docker file. So it's calculating. Ooh, we're doing a mutex on the XP bar. That's nice. That's gonna be rough. This is exactly right how you should do it. We should do a mutex on that, and essentially it should be scaled this way, right, with pods. Thank you. Copilot instructions. You can do custom Copilot instructions? I've never tried custom Copilot instructions. I didn't know you could do that. That's crazy. Let's take a quick look. Oh, Claude Code's added so much. Look at all these pretty colors. Okay, so we have a middleware OpenAI. So this is the stuff that's supposed to take the endpoints and scrape only the metrics off. Ooh. If the API key is not set, that's fine. Because we're not actually calling OpenAI, but I'll keep that there. See, this is what I didn't want was a handover. Oh. F. But I said middleware. As soon as I said middleware, it's going to want to handle it. This is fine. That's fine. A new middleware. That's the problem. It's like if you're using LangChain or LangFuse or whatever to make your calls, this middleware will only do it if you're calling OpenAI directly, which we're not. Right? Okay, so let's look at... So middleware was probably their wrong word. Sorry. So I don't want to replace LangChain Go because I also don't want to replace LangChain or OpenAI SDK or whatever. Like those are the that's not where I'm going. So if I were to go to Twitch chat and look at how the LLM works, right? We make this thing. We get a response back, right? And this response that response is just a string. So the only way to do this is to, in fact, do a middleware that calls it. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, we'll think about that. Yes, that's fine. Yes, do this. But also add a note to the README to think about how to work with LangChain, OpenAI SDK, and LangChain Go. Like, right? Bare minimum, we can have it working on the AI calls. I do have that on Professor Pedro, so like, I could implement it there. Yeah. Okay, I need to mute myself. I'll be back.
said I'm all you ever wanted. You gave me more than I needed. Yeah, yeah, you loved me more than any lover. I kept you higher than a junkie. You said forever, 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 you and me. Oh, I'm sorry, but I'm not the only one. Start to love it, but I just made love for fun. No, I'm sorry, but I'm not the only one. Oh, I'm sorry, but I'm not the only one. Start to love it, but I just made love for fun. No, I'm sorry, but I'm not the only one. You said you love me more than yourself. I'm the only one you needed. Yeah, yeah, you named your future son and daughter. I'm afraid I'm never gonna be free. You said forever, 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 you and me. You said forever, 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 you and me. Oh, I'm sorry, but I'm not the only one. Start to love it, but I just made love. I know I'm sorry, but I'm not the only one. One night, two, we have all night, two. Yeah, we have all night, two. We have all night to talk it all through. We have all night, two. Yeah, we have all night, two. We have all night to talk it all through. You said forever, 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 you and me. You said forever, 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 you and me. Forever, 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 you and me. You said forever, 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 you and me. Met you in the last summer, never wanted to leave. Loving you was a bummer, we just couldn't let be. Gave the world a new color, now I'm falling deeper than deep. You're the kind of somebody I always wanna know. Even when the days go by and we're both graying old. You're my somebody, you're my nobody, you're my body. In the dark, and my hands are shaking. I'm alive, but my body's flaming. I can't get you out of my bed, and I can't get you out of my head. Hold me close, and don't let me go now. And if it does, if the world was on fire, maybe we could go far. Two of us could play dirty. I know you like fast cars. You seem like a forever, and I just wanna be where you are. You're the kind of somebody I always wanna know. Even when the days go by and we're both growing old. You're my somebody, you're my nobody, you're my body.
With that look of your face, today's just not your day. Aren't you the one who chose this game? So why when it gets hard, do you throw in all your cards? Just wait it out, the weather will change. You don't know how to take it easy on yourself. You project your shame onto everyone else. Where did this come from? Who had hurt you? Well, you know I can't do the healing for you. I think you need some time. There's someone on your mind. But then I see her step into the room. Oh my, you're just like your mama. Oh my mind, you're just like your mama. Oh my mind. Oh my, you're just like your mama. Oh my, you're just like your mama. You're just like your mama. Oh my, you're just like your mama. I didn't deserve what you put me through just 'cause she did that to you. I'm not your punching bag in lieu of. You need to be the one to face yourself. Take the initiative. Just ask for help. I know where this came from. She had hurt you, but you know I can't do the healing for you. I think you need some time. There's someone on your mind, but then I see her step into the room. Oh no, you're just like your mama. Oh no. Like
It's the way we're born to be. Take my hand, come run away with me to a city by the sea. Let's live for fun like we're kids high on strawberry bubblegum. We could be forever young now. Let's chase the sun. Life's a gift full of laughter and love. We could be forever young right now. We could be forever young right now. Don't let it fade away. Don't let it turn to gray. Paint a picture every day. Just stay.
Okay, so I changed my mind. I do need to be on a meeting at 2, sorry. I hope. I've been doing really bad at this, like, whole... Also, why don't we have music? There we go. So, there were... You should have access to that. That's for GoOS, I did that. A janky agent, so it's literally just download janky agents. So I want to do one thing real quick. That's fine.
With me, 'cause the moment starts to make. Yeah, the rules are ours to break. Let's live for fun like we're kids high on strawberry bubblegum.
Janky space agents .png from the home and add it to the docs. Images. Then add an agent flow section to the README with this diagram and a paragraph saying building agents without MCP is hard. And that our agents. Okay, 3. I think this is good to go. Oh, yep, okay, so we need to add this. We need to make a new repo in GitHub. Do you have access to the GitHub CLI to make a new repo? What is whirring? Oh, sweet. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. Yeah, that's the remote. Push that. No, we should set... yeah. It's not gonna work. Why is it using HTTP not SSH? We should be using SSH to push. Okay, while we're letting those run, let's set up a poll since I'm about to be out. And then we're gonna ask Pedro. I don't think... Do you think...
We were following the writing on the wall, writing on the wall. But it's true that we don't see
And I always like putting Salty Dolphin. Because I watch Salty Dolphin. Okay, thank you, all you lurkers. You've got 5 minutes. 5 minutes to vote on who we raid. And let's ask Pedro. Pedro's the tiebreaker. Chris Titus, Tech, or Eduardo. Did you know that there are YouTube raids? Apparently there are. Pedro Orchestrator right there. Yes. That's what we're doing. We're starting with the janky agents. Okay. Let's commit this to... Yeah. Sweet. Should be using SSH. Okay, we should be done. Okay. It's dash Q. Okay, so I'm gonna publish this sucker to Discord. I'm so excited. Okay, so we got Pedro Ops up. I thought it was it. Oh, it's this way. It's exit. Cool. And let's get, was this PR already posted for review? I think so. I think we already had this one posted for review and code review. Yeah, we did. Sweet. Okay, how's that poll coming? Pedro's the tiebreaker. Chris Titus Tech. Okay. I'm gonna see. What the heck? YouTube Studio. If I go to live, you can do raids here apparently. I wanna see how I can raid on you. No, go to. No, back. Well, okay. We'll have to delete that thumbnail. Yeah, I'm live. What? No. How do you go to your dashboard? Is that this? View live from control room. No, it's not made for kids. Stream health. Stream settings. Auto stop. Enable to closed captions. Dude, it has a freaking watermark right over my face. Okay, I guess you have to have like special permissions to do those things. Okay. Oh, Rug! Rug won! The only one that voted. Sorry, Rug. Okay, I got 10 minutes before a meeting. An actual planned meeting. Let's see if Bash Bunny lets us raid. Bash Bunny. We got that raid. Okay, guys. Thank you. We had a great day. I need to find something else that lets me co-work better. This didn't work, and I will never be able to do it again. Never got your hat redeemed. Oh, to change hats? I didn't see it. Didn't see it. Okay. Oh, I guess we have 5 viewers instead of 54, but whatever. I'll see you around, guys. Yeah, refund yourself.